Hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 2740 Donna Drive here in Titusville, Florida. And I'm about to show you a rental that is available, and it is an efficiency. The gate to get in is right here, and this efficiency is $9.50 a month. And with this $9.50 a month, you've got the efficiency, your electric, your water, your internet, lawn care. So you've got your closet over here, refrigerator, microwave, stovetop right here on the counter, and then of course your private bathroom with the shower. And we are going to head right back outside while we're taking a look at this efficiency here. You can see that we've got a big backyard. So if you like hanging out outside a little bit, you got some space to do that. And the laundry facilities on this one are shared with the house. So you do have on-site laundry shared with the renters on the regular side of the house. And that is right through here. So you got your washer and dryer. Nice big room here, plenty of space. So again, this efficiency is at 2740 Donna Drive here in Titusville, Florida. $9.50 a month, including electric, water, and internet. If you would like to take a look, my name again is Margaret Klein. Phone number 321-480-7662, or you can shoot me a text. Thanks so much, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.